How can we add additional rows in Excel? The best way is to simply right-click on the number of the row, like this number 5, and then you got option to insert. If you click on that, you will see that the new row appear above. That's a great method. But what if you want to insert multiple rows at the same time? In that case, if you select more than one row, so I hold Shift and select 3 different rows at the same time. If I insert right now, so right click, insert, I will get 3 new rows above. So that's one way of adding multiple rows at the very same time with just one click. You may also notice there's a little insert option here in the Home tab. At the top, there's insert. But keep in mind, it's simply insert a cell here. So now my values are moved down and do not match the quantity in the column B. So be careful with that. So instead of inserting cell, you need to open this short menu and select insert whole new row. This way you push all of the values down and everything is still as it was originally designed. So that's an important little detail. Do not insert cell, insert the whole row. And again, you can also use this short menu at the top to delete certain rows as well. So we can delete unnecessary rows. Alright, so that's how you can insert and delete rows in Excel.